Hey, my fellow followers, it's fresh back at it again. This is Doc right here. We're gonna try it on here, on this here inflammation here, and see what he got going on with that. See what it can do with this thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now I'm gonna go and apply that green kryptonite on there. You know what I mean? That miracle juice. Now, I'll be right back. I'm going to pause this and I'll let y'all know what happened. Alright, now we back. We done applied it on there now. Now we going to see what it's going to do. Before and after. We're going to check this out. See what the miracle juice do here. Shit, look like it's getting it red. See that red effect that I told you to give me? It's starting to get red again. It's starting to lighten up and get red. We're going to try a couple applications, see how many applications it takes to clear this up. That's what we're going to see.
Now, I'm trying. Okay, you applied at 2, let's say 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. We applied this at 3 o'clock.
You did an application.
Application at 3 o'clock. Okay, for sure.